Let me show you how to change your password on Facebook. Now, if you're on the Facebook app or facebook.com and you wanted to enter in a new password compared to your old one, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do, of course, is open up the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android, or if you're on a computer, just go to facebook.com. Now, after you've done that, we need to get to your settings. So at the bottom right, you can see menu. I'm going to tap on that. However, keep in mind, it might be at the top right on your device. iPhone, it's at the bottom right. Android and a computer, it's at the top right. From here, we're just going to scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. Now, I can update my password directly in the app. You can see Password and Security. So I'll choose See More in Account Center. And you can see midway down is Password and Security. Tap on that. We can change that password, but keep in mind you don't necessarily need to know your old one. Let's just tap on Change Password and choose Facebook. It will say, what is your current password? So you do need to enter in that old password. You can see when it was updated, but then you can enter in a new password twice and then just hit change password. Keep in mind, if you don't remember that old password, it doesn't necessarily matter because you can just choose the forgot password here. And then it will say, all right, Trevor Nace, and we'll send a code via email to that email address. I can just choose that and hit continue. Keep in mind, when you do change your password on here, you can select to log out of all of the devices that are currently logged into your account if you're changing it because you expect somebody else might be logged in onto your account. I hope this helps. If it did, hit that subscribe button down below. Again, it's the best way you can say thank you. Thank you.